another Monkey House guest. Let's see who's behind the door.
Let's go to the phones right now and meet our first pint-sized awarder of the show. Joining us all the way from Maryland. Make some noise, please, audience, for Samantha! Hello, Samantha. Welcome to the award show. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too. Oh, man. And before you present, might I just compliment you? That is a beautiful awards presentation outfit that you're wearing. What? Can you describe your fancy award presentation outfit that you're wearing right now, Samantha?
I'm wearing a lavender dress all the way down to the floor. You can probably see that my hair is up in a bun.
Oh, I can see that definitely. And is that a diamond-studded tiara that you're wearing there, Samantha?
Yes, I thought it would add a nice touch.
That's a very nice touch. Wow. And hold on a minute. Is that a golden scepter with magic emanating from the crystal on the end?
Well, it just looks like magic. I told my lawyer to make sure that it looks like it was magic.
Your lawyer! Wow! Wow, your lawyer is a jack of all trades. Good for you. It's good to get good legal advice these days. Well, Samantha, I'm very excited that you're here, and I'm really glad that's not real magic, because I think you probably would have cast your Jack Be Quiet spell by now.
Thanks for stopping by the Monkey House on Kids Place Live. I wonder who's coming over next time.